Wanna know what is the WhatsApp registration code requested message? Well, let me explain you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you or explain you what the WhatsApp registration code requested message means. Now when you receive the WhatsApp registration code message on your device, now this notification, it means that someone has entered your phone number while trying to create an account. Now if you're trying to create WhatsApp account, if you're trying to sign into WhatsApp, and you will get the WhatsApp registration code before being able to sign up. So if you receive this notification, it means that someone has entered your phone number and requested the registration code. Now this often happens if another user mistyped your phone number when trying to enter their own number to register, and can also happen when someone attempts to try to log into your account or take over your account. So WhatsApp registration code is a code that you get while you're trying to log into the account or sign up to the account. Do not share this code with anyone until and unless you are the one that is trying to log into the account, or your account might get taken over or be accessed by someone else. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.